have to follow that up. They have to do something about that.
Well, under normal circumstances, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, a very good afternoon to you, Mula Vinata and Namaste. I'm indeed honored and delighted this afternoon to be officiating at this very auspicious occasion, which marks a significant development milestone in medical diagnostic services in Fiji. And I sincerely wish to acknowledge the organizers for the invitation and also the warm welcome this afternoon. Diagnostic services, and in this case, laboratory services, is a crucial component of patient care, and the demand for it continues to accelerate with the influx of patients visiting our health facilities with varied health conditions. Our population continues to battle with new emerging health conditions, old public health diseases such as TB, dengue fever, leptospirosis, which are putting its ugly head up again and again with complications of lifestyle-induced non-communicable diseases, etc., which significantly rationalizes the need to strengthen laboratory services amongst the other diagnostic services to inform proper treatment regimes and, of course, care. Ladies and gentlemen, facilities such as Smart Lab Fiji to support and assist our public laboratories could not have come at a better time. The need is evident and such response is greatly acknowledged with deep appreciation from the Minister of Health and Medical Services and, of course, our very own people who will now have easy access to affordable testing services. At this juncture, I believe it is only fitting and appropriate to acknowledge the founder of this project, Mr. Ashok Muni, for such an enormous contribution and, of course, investment that has manifested in this meaningful and valuable project that is sure to make life easy for all our health service seeking population. I'm told in the year 2000 in San Francisco, Mr. Muni had promised our Prime Minister to start this business. And keeping his promise, Mr. Muni has returned to his land of birth, and I hope his action will inspire many, many more Munis to serve the nation in capacities that they have gained in their adopted countries. This service will also add value to the quality of our health service delivery system with its latest technology and capacities that are of international standards. I'm convinced that the facility has potential to grow and expand its services, which are often available offshore if it continues with this noteworthy momentum. I've been informed that this facility basically targets NCD screening as its core business, and its design is apparently suitable for low economic countries like Fiji with its affordable rapid testing response model. With the NCD crisis at hand, such initiative will undoubtedly assist countries in the fight to reduce and reverse the incidence of these debilitating devastating NCD conditions and its complications. The estimated NCD cost projected at $47 trillion in the next 15 years should not be taken lightly, ladies and gentlemen. Instead, should send out a warning, SOS, save our soul signal, to those NCD-stricken countries in the world to further develop and design innovative strategies that will become the right ammunition to use against this deadly monster. Fiji, via the Wellness Center of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, along with other relevant stakeholders, have worked tirelessly to ensure that all preventative avenues are exhausted and its NCD strategic action plan is executed in both the public health and clinical sectors of the health system. The Minister of Health and Medical Services, Honorable Chone Osamate, has called on all stakeholders to be proactive in the fight against NCD and had also challenged the House in one of the parliamentary speeches that the members of the House can become advocates for better lifestyle to combat NCD. The main focus is now on behavioral change in the general population, where the cardinal preventative measures that include daily physical activities, exercises, proper NCD-friendly diet of low fat, low salt, etc., Reduction in alcohol consumption, stop smoking is the core message. This would give our people the edge to take ownership and responsibility of their health and take full advantage of all available NCD screening facilities as that of this Smart Lab Fiji, which would result in early detection and early and timely intervention, thus avoiding and keeping its nasty complications at bay. I believe that with robust screening programs and services delivered through our public health systems and facilities of this nature, which is a testament of classic, rich public-private partnership, we can control our amputation like Dr. Wahid had pointed out that daily we have 2 amputations, blindness, stroke rates, and our population will be well versed with their blood profiles and vitals, of which they can possibly control any abnormal or life-threatening findings. Ladies and gentlemen, I was listening to Dr. Aldous Beg, and when he mentioned, he compared a body to the car. I mean, unfortunately, I don't know, what I've noticed today is we take better care of our cars than ourselves. We have our mag wheels shining, everything, the seat covers, proper leather seat, everything. We take care of our cars better than ourselves. And I think it's very challenging for Ministry of Health and Medical Services and people in the medical profession, or of course, people who are promoting NCD awareness. It's very difficult to make a person realize that we are into crisis. That is the most challenging thing, that we realize that we are into crisis. And of course, this Smart Lab is here to help us. And what I said was affordable, accessible. And a Smart Lab here at Tappoo City will certainly be affordable, and of course it will be accessible. And like I said, I hope, taking a cue from here, this program will be extended to the Western Division as well and to the Northern Division as well. This is just the beginning. And on this note, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to once again congratulate Mr. Muni and your good team for this noteworthy venture, which the Minister of Health and Medical Services welcomes wholeheartedly. And I therefore have the pleasure to declare the Smart Lab Fiji officially open. And may God bless you all. Shukriya, Dhanyavad. And